What's up, guys? It's Griffin Walker here. It's Tesla Field. We are doing racing.
And we're going to be doing
Race cars!
Yeah, we're going to be racing.
We're gonna be racing.
Yes. Let me turn all those back over. There. All these over here. So, what we're going to do...
We're gonna pick which one's gonna race. We're only gonna go do one at a time.
Yeah.
Both one at a time. 1v1.
Yeah. So, that's just what we're going to do lately. Yeah. So the cars are like that. Okay, Griffin, choose your vehicle that you're going to race.
But I know, not that one. This one.
So can you guys arrange us what you got, Griffin? You got the what the heck? You got the Racer 4. I'm gonna go with my monster truck.
Okay.
Something that
Come on.
to drift. So now what we're gonna do is first person to get onto the other side wins. Ready, set, go. Oh, mine rolled.
Oh, mine's right over there.
Yeah, Griffin actually had won.
See?
Mine had rolled, so we
Tesla's. Whoa, mine went clear back.
Griffin was driving his far away.
First place. So this guy is winning. This guy took first. You know this guy's taking first.
So far. Sorry.
Okay, I might pick.
Okay, now if they've already raced, flip them upside down.
No, Tesla, no.
I'm putting the monster trucks on.
This hasn't raced.
Yeah.
If no, that lost, that means that it's supposed to be upside down. If they win, to go over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now
What do you pick?
I'm gonna go with this car right here. The beauty of the beast.
Mine's this Batman kind of car.
Yeah, he's gonna look like.
Mine's purple, blue,
black
black, purple, blue, pink, blue, pink, black.
I'm just gonna hurry and put all these cars over. Okay. So I'm gonna sit you guys so that you guys can see the track. We're doing this all on a trampoline. Ready, set, drive. Wow.
So they made a tie right there.
Yeah, because mine had actually went all the way through.
See how like his went down there? Mine's right here. I just picked it up.
Landed it at least.
So they're tied. Oh, where's the car? Oh, it's down there. Grab it. If they're winning, we have to put them over here.
Where?
So this guy took second.
So
This guy took third. And this guy took first. Oh, no, this guy's in first. That guy's second. This guy's third. Yeah, because mine went over there first and yours went off the tramp. First.
technically, why is mine went farther?
But mine came over here first.
I'm gonna go with this vehicle.
You're gonna go with this vehicle.
You guys can all see. Sorry if it's a bit burly. Quit moving the tramp, Griff.
That's right.
See, there we go. It's the car of beauties. Okay.
This one is how much car? Cuda.
Yeah, he's going with the Barracuda. Ready, set, go. I said go.
Ah! You can't do that, Tesla.
Goat milk.
Or it's called cheating.
Okay. Ready, set, go.
So you can see mine won.
Neither of them went. Neither of them went to the edge.
Yeah, but mine was farther.
No, that's not how we're going. We're not going with the
So we had to restart that.
Yeah.
But mine actually went the farthest.
Yeah, he's not the farthest, but we're not going by like who's going the farthest.
We're just actually just doing it for fun.
Yeah.
Wait.
So ready. So as you can see, this is the car that I'm racing with. Let's see if this guy can miss. Ready, set, go.
Oh, that we only did that. We're only gonna do that twice. So that guy won, actually, my guy.
Nah,
Yeah, we're only doing it twice if they tie.
No, neither.
So if they tie,
Griffin, just throw them back over here.
no, if they tie, they have to go on the ground behind them. Cool, guys. So the tie ones go right here. See how we're doing black, black, and black. 2 greens.
1 blue and black.
And 1 black.
So yeah. Now I'm gonna actually choose kind of like.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna pick this view.
And if you guys want,
I'm gonna pick this missile
you
guy.
guys can read the labels. I don't think you guys can read them, but it says it's from like China. I believe it says China Kia.
We're in Texas.
We don't live in Texas.
I'm not going to be here, so you're going to have to ask your dad or whatever.
Okay, bye, Mom. Oh, we live in Texas, huh, Tesla?
Here.
Because we said we live in Texas on the other video, but we actually do, huh, Tesla?
Okay, you guys. Can I tell you the truth? We actually don't live in Texas.
We live in Alfred, Utah.
Honestly, we like Bill. I'm a Beaver boy, and he's a Mosquito kid.
Who?
You. I'm a Beaver boy.
Oh, yeah. You're
So.
a Beaver, Utah kid.
Beaver, Utah.
Yeah.
Beaver County.
No, Utah, Beaver, Utah. It's Milford,
Yeah,
Utah.
we're in Utah.
Beaver, Utah. Martinsville, Utah. Beaver, Utah.
So you guys.
Hey, Betty, watch right, okay? Because I'm going to back my car up.
Okay, let's get on with the race.
Okay, so I'm going with big wheels. Big.
I'm going with the
big
missile
wheels.
guy.
Okay, so ready, set, and go. Wow.
Oh, mine went to the end! So you can see mine won. So mine actually went farthest than my green one down there.
Oh, so mine failed again. Griffin, my green one.
Oh, so you have to, I can't reach it.
I can't reach either.
I can't. Ah.
There you go.
You suck.
So you guys are going with like a bit of a pattern. No, Griffin, that's not how it goes.
Oh, it's green. And we're doing these kind of cars. These like,
So we're going with color. Griffin, that's not where white goes.
white's supposed to be like, here.
See you guys,
It's,
are colored. So it goes white, blue. I don't think you guys can see. In the back you can, green.
okay, let's do
And
this.
black.
We might make a video tomorrow, today, about killing each other.
What?
We might make a video about shooting each other. I call this.
The monster truck.
I'm going with this car. So
you
you could
guys-
see.
Oh, sorry. Too close to the cam. See, now I'm going with the monster truck. It's got big wheels, and I like big wheels. I like big wheels. So, ready? Ready, set, go.
Oh, it's a tie again because they didn't make it.
Come on, monster truck. There we go.
That's actually mine.
That's how the man does it. I said, come here, monster truck. Yeah. Perfect.
So I didn't get.
Body slamming. Ready, set, goat milk.
I went right off.
I said goat
Mine
milk.
went there first, though. So you can tell those. Mine went first, but we're doing a tie because
Say it's
the
right
tie
now.
we're gonna do.
Copper. Say hi to the camera.
So we're doing the tie ones
Copper,
right over here.
Copper, come here.
We're doing the tie ones
He doesn't like it.
right there. We're doing tie.
Well, most of these ones got tied.
Who cares? Those ones are cooler. No, Tessa. These over here.
I don't drive it over there. I'm gonna actually go with the four-wheeler. No, I'm gonna go with the four-wheeler.
I'm cool with this.
Because this one rides smoother.
I'm gonna do them all stretch mark after this because I haven't done one.
Green. It's got green rims.
We're gonna exit that black four-wheeler because that's not gonna be equal.
That's gonna be equal. I'm gonna keep black four in it.
Okay, ready, set.
Hey, move your leg. I wanna like.
Bye. There's our aunt and cousin.
Ready. Hold on. I'm gonna go camera ready. My camera's cool. Set. Go. Wow.
Oh, so it's a tie again that time.
This car is backwards, back to back. Oh. There, you guys are not trying to.
What the
wiggle
heck?
too much. What is it? Ooh. Let me see what it is. You guys have got a better visual than I do. There's a round.
Okay, let's do this this way.
Ugh. So there we go.
Money mark.
Get set.
Set. Go.
Hey, no, I never said when you were
I
gonna
said go.
I didn't know.
Yeah, you did.
Go.
I said go.
Come on, we need to retry that. I thought you were gonna say go, so I was like, oh crap. So ready,
set, go.
I win. First time.
First time, finally.
I don't know. It's guys.
That's where you have to put your car down here.
Okay.
So that guy took second.
Yeah.
That's a failure.
Threw it with my tail. Come on, no better than nothing. So I'm gonna have the black ruby.
I'm gonna get the monster truck.
I kind of like the monster truck more.
Okay, get this.
No, I want purple rims here.
I want this.
He got my favorite. This is my favorite. Ready? Get set. Get your car behind, right next to mine. Ready? Get set. Go.
Oh! I won the championship!
Hey, Griffin won it.
I won the championship!